Stop. You need to stop. Jeff, stop! Stop! Jeff, stop!
On October 4th, 2020, in Marion County, Florida, Deputy Elliot from the MCSO responded to a disturbance call at a residence. Upon arrival, the suspect inside the house punched a window. Deputy Elliot stayed calm and tried to communicate with the individual as he exited the house, hoping to de-escalate the situation.
6360, can you have medics on standby? The subject breaking windows inside of the house. Back to you, he's refusing to come out. Jeff, you need to come outside.
No,
Hey.
baby. Baby,
No, stop.
Baby, stop.
Stop.
Please.
Stop.
Please, baby.
Stop. Stop.
You really need
Stop. You need to stop. You need to stop. 6360, the subject taking off on a car. 10-4, he's pulling away from the house right now. Actually, he just ran my vehicle.
Jeff, stop! Stop! Jeff, stop! 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 Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Jeff, get on the ground! Jeff, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Jeff, get on the ground!
Shut the fuck up! Shut your
6360,
fucking mouth!
6416, 1018.
10-18, 60.
Hands out wide! Hands out wide! Put your hands out!
Talk to me like I'm a person, bitch!
Put your hands out!
Why people don't like me? So
Put your hands out!
bitch! And you don't give me
One
any
at
help. Back
gunpoint.
the fuck up. No, you're a bitch.
Hold on.
Back the fuck up.
10-4, got him a gun pump. Get his visual.
You really need,
Stop!
you need help? You fucking
Face down!
You can't fucking
Face down!
motherfucker.
Face down!
You're a fucking bitch.
Put your hands out!
Fuck you. They are out. You fucking
Out to your side!
Oh, like that? Is that gonna stop something? You fucking pussy. You done?
I'm waiting for my backups!
Yeah,
Stop!
Pussy, 'cause you can't do shit
Stop.
for fucking self. You pussy ass motherfucker. Oh look, your bitch is here. You see that? You fucking pussy. Oh, hurry up! Hurry up! Come on, hurry up! For no fucking reason. Sorry ass bitch.
Hey, put on your gloves! Put on your gloves! Put them in handcuffs!
Yeah, come on, pussy number 2. Let's go. Alright, relax. No, fuck you. Fuck what you want to say. Fucking pussy. Alright, fuck you, sorry ass fuck. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Jeff, stop!
Break it, you fucking pussy ass bitch. Too late! Motherfucker, it's already hurting. Well, too goddamn late, bitch. You wanna be, oh yeah, you're a big fucking pussy.
6361
Sorry,
detained.
pussy ass
Go ahead and have
motherfucker.
medics come in.
Fuck
Reference
you.
bleeding to the
I don't need to sit up. Get the fuck off of me.
10-4, 1 change. Medic, clear
Get
for
the
medic.
fuck off of me.
Advise on scene.
I don't want to sit up. You have to sit up. I don't want to sit up. I don't give a fuck. Tell that bitch right there in the
Hey,
pants she can
you're
fuck off
done.
and die.
You're done talking to her.
Gomm was placed under arrest for felony criminal mischief, resisting without violence, and transported to the Marion County Jail, where he's being held without bond. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.